Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we will see how to work with the formatting tools available in the Microsoft Word software, Salapani software. So now let us open a new blank document by clicking on blank document option here. As you know, the formatting tools are available in the Home tab in the Font panel. So in this video, we will cover the text effect, the text highlight color, and the font color options. So currently we don't have any content on the page. So what I'll do is I'll go to one of my websites. I'll copy some data from there and paste it here. So I have some data now on the page. So first let us try the text effect. So select the sentence first. So I'll select the title here. Now come to the text effect and click on this drop down and you can see different text effects. So I'll select one of them. So you can apply these kind of effects for the title especially. So if you want to customize it further, you can select the sentence again and you can come to the drop down and come to one of these options here. Okay, it is not visible, right? What is happening behind the scenes. So what I'll do is I will move it downward so you can see the preview. So I'll come to the drop down here, come to the outline. Okay, select the sentence first. Now come to the drop down, come to the outline, and as you move the cursor on different colors, you can see the live preview. Got it? In the same way, you can try these different options such as shadow, reflection, glow. So that is about the text effect. Now let us look at the text highlight color, this one. So select the sentence and come to this drop down and select one of the colors. So it will be highlighted in one of these colors that you select. Got it? Now next let us see the text color or the font color, this one here. So select the sentence and come to the drop down here. So you can select one of these options, one of these colors. So I'll click on this one here and you can see the color of the text is now changed. Got it? So this is how you can make use of the text color or the font color. So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.